Well, he attack me. But Jaden Chase there to make the fans them know what really I want. Yeah, man, now move settings, viewers and subscribers, and we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, wanna find the Gaza Station. Welcome to the channel, Jaden Chase, and yes, we are bringing on another new and it's exciting reasoning for the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I'm reminding you to click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and for leave a like, a comment, and yes, what's a share on the blog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, Jamil, late reply. Yes, extremely late reply. We don't even know if the submission can be accepted. Talk to me in the comment section. We don't even know if the submission can be accepted. That new song I will submit in the dancehall confrontation between him and Chronic Law. I think it was too late. But then again, this is clearly a track written by somebody else, viewers and subscribers. First and foremost, in a one part of the track, me hear him say, yo, him facts real, and that abundant. Which facts? Which facts? Then again, him say, we know him style, him always have a clip load, and him always have a thing on him. This is not the Jamila we know. This is clearly Boom Bang. Yes, Boof Buff Records, viewers and subscribers rather. You know what I mean? He's a younger artist who have a record label, and he may have some tracks though where it sound like him say something about Chronic Law. And it look like Jamil link him up and him write the tracks them for Jamil right now. Because the lifestyle where Jamil tell we say him live. We don't know if Jamil live the lifestyle. The last time we hear about Jamil from Fee Musical Journey, up a Young Vibes sofa in the base, our coach, our settee, whichever name you want to call it, that was in base of operations. I wanna hear Jamil I say, yo, he wasn't any type of gangster during them days there. We might tell you the realness. I say Mr. Yuta, I try for the music, things and times rough, and he might try push on and I persevere even though the odds are against him, and he might try, you know what I mean, just survive on a day to day and I do music. No, he might tell we say me that live this hardcore life on the lane and this was the lifestyle when did into fictional. Clearly fictional, viewers and subscribers. For most of the days when I write music, a cartel song them I listen to, and a pattern of a write music and of a structure a song. Now him probably feel like him know it enough where him can pretend to be a different person on tracks. Cause even in person, we know if him say Chronic Law in person, we know a different type of settings. We know a different type of settings. Now as I was saying, the track released late. We don't know if it's true, it mixed a master late, or as I said, I speculate that this track was written by somebody else. And them send it to him. Nowadays, all songs are written for somebody else, and I write it right on paper, necessarily. Normally, the person have a track, and them send the vocals, and you listen, and then you just do it over. And more likely, this is what occurred in this situation. That's why the song takes so long to drop, viewers and subscribers. Talk to me in the comment section, I know what you feel. All I can say is, it sounds like music from somebody else. Well, some people can say just lyrics and he must say and Ray, and you know what I mean? That can be true too. But the persona we might try for emulate right now, we don't know of this being a persona of Jamil. Some people say over stop calling Camille. Some people say over call him Nyamil. I don't know. All we can say is the artist has definitely dropped form. And then him seem to have a problem with creating either his own choruses or his own song titles. It always sounds like him a try reply so much that him almost use the other person's title for theme track. The G says school them. And look at him forward with. Joking him something. And joke always in him song them too. It's a gimmickal or a comedic type of track. He might try to put out if he want to get a reaction. That one have more hardcore lyrical content. He more talk about certain things. He can't say take the critique. He must say La Boss, Freda. Comments from the comment section. No, what with La Boss is that he is an artist. in every sense of the word. So he will get the critique, listen to it, see if it makes sense, and then address the situation. Fix what needs to be fixed. Artists who are stuck in their ways are people who cannot take a critique. And them feel like say them have it mastered. They can't have it mastered as a young artist. You can't have it mastered as a young artist. They can't be a progeny. You know what I mean? And people will say, yo, you're a true visionary at a young age. But none of the members of the MPP have ever showed any type of lyrical genius. First of all, Mov no write him own song, and we know that for a fact. Alkaline, it clears them about somebody write theme song too. Jamil, viewers and subscribers, while we know him as a songwriter, this clearly sounds like song from somebody else. And even on the cover art, we notice him a point, him a read from a script. Obviously, him a read from a script. As somebody else script this theme. This is not the Jamil we know. No, sir. And I suggest that I first and foremost, I suggest him to leave the clash alone and, you know what I mean, accept the defeat. I feel like him fan base and the people who support him from them time there, I got slowly start draw away from Jamil and film type of music. The image and the type of song them can send that game career towards the European side, the reggae dancehall fusion that try to create, being a reggae artist but still connecting with that dancehall audience, and it work up to a point. Strongest soldier get the strongest fight. But at this point in time, him bring on something on himself. Him start a war where him can't go like where him own MVP compatriot did say. Them own songs can be used against them viewers and subscribers. And Chronic Lord that already. They're not relevant in the dancehall industry. And as I said, talk to me in the comment section. I don't know if dancehall will even accept this response. We don't even know if dancehall are going to even accept this response. What's the cover art? And what's the emoji with the sands of the hourglass? Suggesting that it's a matter of moments in the go drop the track. We are wonder if I did, you know what I mean? In that wait until the next day. But him decide to drop in the night. We must say sneak attack. You don't know, maybe I try to say I launch a sneak attack. It not gonna work. What's so I go on? And we listen to the track. We still not gonna say yo, it rougher than La Bass track. We're not gonna say that. And another because we're biased. The facts are the facts. You have ears for ear. You listen to the song. First and foremost, we see the timely response. We see him not try to respond in a very timely fashion recently. As him drop him track, La Bass normally respond. La Bass tell him say you're the final track this. And him a say now say La Bass a run. But check it. You take so long for reply even though you hear that statement. You still couldn't reply. A joke. So, you know what I mean? We'll see if Chronic Law I got respond to that track. Talk to me in the comment section. I don't know if you feel like him even should respond to the track. Having clearly won the lyrical confrontation because Jamil take too long to reply. A fool for that. Mob did try that very same style. Sing him song and cut with the bands and feel like it's a Ray. Jamil sing him song and feel like, I don't know why I feel like say La Bass never that respond. Him song never even that rough. I don't know why I feel like say that take La Bass more than, you know what I mean? Couple hours to drop the track, mix and master it and put it out to the public. Yeah, them a work, fuck me must say yo, the production side of the six. Heavy in a dancehall music right now, in a dim. I would say atto. But what's a sharp down? As people who know say yo, I drop frequent tracks for the six. And you can call every other name, them, you name the names, viewers and subscribers. The six production side, heavy in a dancehall music right now. We can't say the same for MVP. Other than Frasso win the Grammy for for the Morgan Heritage album, we not stop talking about. We don't know if them have no other resident heavy producer in the dancehall industry right now, because I can't javi them. The rhythm them already, I can't jigo them. Production side already. So, you know what I mean? Jamil like him link up, it boof buff them. And you know what I mean? While it might look like he might show support to a younger artist, I suspect he must have drained the artist energy. take him song them and I make them mood. As a way to see you and put them out there. I remember as an aspiring artist with no income, if an artist go take a track from you and give you 50 grand, you gotta just hold it and know say yo, at least you make 50 grand off of the track. So some artists will do that. You have songwriters who just write songs for other people. That's that them do. Them probably try the music industry, never work out for them, and them just can't be bothered with, the settings. Bye to the one called Jaden Chase. I'm gonna move settings from a winner needing a ladder, and my sentiments for you and yours that wanna live, love, and prosper until we reason again.